Welcome to our new English lesson. Today's lesson is about everyday conversations. Greetings and introductions. Let's listen and practice. Conversations to practice greetings and introductions. Conversation number 1. At a social gathering. In this conversation, Sarah and Alex engage in typical greetings and introductions at a social gathering. They exchange pleasantries, introduce themselves, and briefly discuss their impressions of the party before parting ways politely.
Hi there, how's it going?
Hey, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad, thanks for asking. By the way, I don't think we've met before. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Alex.
Likewise, Alex. Are you enjoying the party?
Yeah, it's been great so far. How about you?
Yeah, it's been fun. Have you tried the snacks yet?
Not yet, but they look delicious. I'll definitely grab some later.
Absolutely, they're pretty tasty. Well, it was nice meeting you, Alex. I'm going to catch up with some other folks.
Likewise, Sarah. Enjoy the rest of the party.
Thanks, you too.
Conversation number 2. In a coffee shop. In this conversation, Jack and Emily meet in a coffee shop, exchange greetings and introductions, discuss their preferences for coffee, and express friendliness towards each other before parting ways.
Hi, how are you today?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How about yourself?
I'm good, thanks. My name's Jack, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Jack. I'm Emily.
Pleasure to meet you, Emily. Are you a regular here?
Yes, I come here quite often. The coffee is great, and the atmosphere is lovely.
That's good to hear. I'm new to the area, so I'm still exploring the local spots.
Oh, welcome. If you need any recommendations, feel free to ask.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I'll keep it in mind. Anyway, I should probably order something. What's your favorite drink here?
I'm a fan of their caramel latte. It's delicious.
Sounds good, I think I'll try that. Thanks for the suggestion.
No problem. Enjoy your drink, Jack.
Thanks, Emily. It was nice chatting with you.
Likewise, Jack. Have a great day.
Conversation number 3. At a networking event. In this conversation, Lisa and Mark meet at a networking event, exchange greetings and introductions, discuss their backgrounds, and express interest in each other's professions before potentially connecting further.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing well, thanks. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good, thanks for asking. By the way, my name's Lisa.
Nice to meet you, Lisa. I'm Mark. Are you enjoying the event?
Yes, it's been really interesting so far. Have you attended one of these before?
No, it's my first time. I'm finding it quite informative.
That's great to hear. Networking events can be valuable for making connections.
Absolutely. It's nice to meet people in the industry and exchange ideas.
Definitely. By the way, do you work in a similar field?
Yes, I do. I'm a software developer. How about you?
Oh, that's interesting. I work in marketing. It's always fascinating to learn about different industries.
I agree. It's essential to stay updated on trends and innovations.
Absolutely. Well, it was nice meeting you, Mark. I should probably mingle with others.
Likewise, Lisa. Feel free to connect on LinkedIn if you'd like to stay in touch.
That sounds great. I'll definitely do that. Thanks, Mark. Enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you, Lisa. Take care.
Conversation number 4. At a park. In this conversation, Sarah and John exchange greetings, introduce themselves, and briefly discuss their surroundings before parting ways politely.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. My name's Sarah, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm John. Are you enjoying the weather?
Yes, it's a beautiful day for a walk in the park. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time. It's quite lovely.
It really is. I come here often to relax and enjoy nature.
That sounds wonderful. I should visit more often.
Definitely. Well, it was nice meeting you, John. I should continue my walk now.
Likewise, Sarah. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Conversation number 5. At a bookstore. In this conversation, Emily and David meet in a bookstore, exchange greetings and introductions, and briefly discuss their interests in traveling before parting ways politely.
Excuse me, do you know where the travel section is?
Oh, hi. Yes, it's just over there, in the corner.
Great, thank you. By the way, my name's Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm David. Are you planning a trip?
Yes, I'm thinking about traveling to Europe next summer. How about you?
Sounds exciting. I love traveling too. I'm David, by the way.
It's nice to meet you, David. Do you have any recommendations for Europe?
Definitely. You should visit Italy for its art and history, and Spain for the vibrant culture.
Those sound amazing. I'll definitely consider them. Thanks for the suggestions, David.
No problem, Emily. Enjoy your travels.
Thank you, David. Have a great day.
To Emily.
Let's practice useful phrases. Listen and repeat. Useful phrases for greeting. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hi there. Hi there. Useful phrases for starting a conversation. Hello there. Hello there. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Good to see you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. Useful phrases for introducing yourself. By the way, my name's. By the way, my name's. Nice to meet you. I'm. Nice to meet you. I'm. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. I'm, by the way. I'm, by the way. Useful phrases for asking for information. Do you know where? Do you know where? Can you help me find? Can you help me find? Excuse me, could you tell me? Excuse me, could you tell me? I'm looking for. I'm looking for. Useful phrases for expressing appreciation. Great, thank you. Great, thank you. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thanks for the suggestions. Thanks for the suggestions. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Useful phrases for responding to recommendations. That sounds amazing. That sounds amazing. I'll definitely consider them. I'll definitely consider them. Thanks for the suggestions. Thanks for the suggestions. I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep that in mind. Useful phrases for wishing well. Enjoy your travels. Enjoy your travels. Have a great day. Have a great day. You too. You too. Take care. Useful phrases for ending the conversation. Well, it was nice meeting you. Well, it was nice meeting you. I should probably get going. I should probably get going. I'll let you enjoy the event/occasion. I'll let you enjoy the event/occasion. Take care and have a great day. Take care and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing.